Want to get notified when the price drops on Temu? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to set Temu price alerts using your wish list so you never miss a deal. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, browse or search for the product you want to buy. Once you find the item, open the product page and look for the save option, then tap on it. This will save the item to your wish list and allow Temu to track price changes for that product. Whenever the price drops, Temu will send you a push notification instantly so you can check the new deal right away. To view your saved items, go to your profile section and tap on Wishlist. Here, you can manage your saved products, remove items, or keep tracking them for future discounts. Make sure your phone notifications for the Temu app are turned on so you don't miss any price drop alerts. And that's how to set Temu price alerts and get notified about price drops using your wish list. Thanks for watching.